Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video explaining why is it bad for the car to interrupt the DPF regeneration. First, it's bad for the DPF, the diesel particulate filter, and so on. Secondly, it is harmful to the engine. Let me explain. It is harmful to the diesel particulate filter because when regeneration is interrupted, what happens is that the soot that accumulates inside ends up caking. So what happens? That when we start the engine again, that DPF regeneration, which had been interrupted, starts again, but there is part of the soot that will not be able to be burned. Imagine that you throw a sheet of paper on the fire. It burns without biggest problem, but imagine that you throw a book on the fire and a thick one on top, because part of that book, part of the paper that makes up that book is not going to be able to burn, because the same thing happens in this. In the DPF books they end up clogging the channels, and there comes a time in that there is no way to burn that soot that is accumulated there, and then, apart, it is harmful to the engine. Because having interrupted the DPF regeneration, when stopping the engine, then you turn it on again, and with the engine cold, the engine at that moment raises the revolutions from 800 revolutions to 1000 revolutions. It is revolutionized, the engine being cold, with which it is not sufficiently lubricated, and you already know that the greatest wear in the engines occurs in the first minutes. Furthermore, when starting the engine, this also ends up harming the turbocharger, which needs this lubrication from the very beginning. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.